Okay, so we just finished deflating. Now we're going to go ahead and inflate with the power tank and the monster valve. It's super easy, super fast. It's insanely fast. Just wanted to touch on real quick on the installation of the monster valve. I think a lot of people are potentially intimidated with drilling into their brand new wheels or their old wheels or just drilling into a wheel in general. It is actually super easy. Just follow the drilling instructions, drill nice and slow, and then these ones are threaded, so I tapped it with a thread. Again, very easy, anyone can do it. They have a newer version where you don't have to thread it if you don't want to. These have been fine, so I'm super happy with it, but here's how we do the inflation on these. Basically, we'll just kick the cap back off, get it ready, hook this guy back up. Normally I would have just already had it hooked up, but we're doing like we just got off trail, so we're still like 9 PSI. And then for the power tank, we just open this valve all the way up, full throttle. Open this guy up, pretty much full throttle. You can see here it says tires on here. You got lockers, tools, tires. I usually go to the end of the tire, go nice and fast. There's also they may also make another gauge that's quicker than mine, but this one's pretty quick, so I don't really necessarily need that. So with the monster chuck, we just go ahead and slide her over here. And let's see, let's set our timer on this one again. So we're at 9.5 PSI. And let's see how fast we air up. So we're at 23 PSI already in a few seconds, 20 seconds. "31 PSI in like 30 seconds. So, and again, you can do that a lot smoother and faster than I did it, but that's just about how quickly you can air up and air down with this monster valve setup. Highly recommend it.